Hello, it's me, Jimmy T, Married with PMU. Now, today talk about tattoo machines, okay? Married with PMU, tattoo machines. I just come back from New York, okay? Taking a advanced tattoo class. Now, this video is reply my audience questions, okay? Which machines, okay, is the best? Now, we try not to use the word the best, okay? I will use when, why, and how. Okay, when you need to use it, okay, of course the budget, some machines is way more expensive, but usually tattoo machines go on sale for Black Friday. Some machines you have to spend the money. So in the beginning, okay, I will recommend you using Mass Flow Pro. Like a lot of audience like laugh at me. Flow, okay, my accent. It's okay, as long as you understand. My audience get the point, okay? He is okay to invest a little bit of money. Now, in the beginning, you want to save some money to start with. I totally understand. Again, you need to ask when, why, how. Like one day, hey, you get a customer, I want to do a big pieces, especially in the back. Let me ask you a question. Is it okay to use Flow Pro? Okay, I will tell you why, and then I will show you something. Now, Mass Flow Pro, very good machines. This is the machines I bring it to New York, okay? And with this one, okay? The guy, he has like more than 20 years experience. He is from Beijing. So I go, okay, he said okay. I asked him the same question. He said okay, and then he used it, he tried it, okay, to a point. Now, solid line, bold line. It's not enough. You need to have something like stronger machines. Now, I would say, I will bring up another two big brand, okay? Now, this is my work on the practice skin. Because I just go for 2 weeks, I don't have enough time to do a lot of practicing, okay? But from the question I asked, my knowledge is go to another level. Now again, my channel is Married with PMU, but PMU knowledge is from where? Originally is from tattoo, so they know more than us technically, okay? PMU getting popular in this couple years, I would say within 10 years, is pretty much is from Korea. And Europe, and then end up United States. So take a look at like this line, bold line, okay? Bigger pieces. So you go like Flow Pro 4.2, stroke length is not enough. If you want one shot, very saturated, you need to use like 5.0. Now I will tell you what is different by verbally, okay? This is like discussions with in the beginning I need to break the ice, because once I show up, they know a little bit who I am, but they don't know my skill, okay? That much. In the beginning they try to tell me very basic. I go, I just have 2 weeks, okay? This one I know, and then they go, okay, until he see my skill, my shading, my lining, okay, he try to make the class a lot faster. To me, like one-on-one. Now take a look at their works, okay? I'm not BSU, okay? Take a look at how clean, how nice. Now, another thing I want to bring up is when you work on the practice skin, you need to go lightly, a little bit deeper and slower hand, okay? And little bit more powerful. Now, when you practice a lot, like you try to do the same thing to the client, you might mess up. So step back a little bit. A lot of advanced tattoo artists on YouTube, they say the same thing, but I repeat it one more time. Very, very important. I'm missing, I forgot what, what did I say? I try not to edit in this video. I usually, something like quick question, I just want to record it and tell you like something quick. Editing is take long time. I know after editing everything is better, more exciting, but take me very long time. Another thing he bring up, okay, and I bring this one, Flex 4.5 stroke lane. And then he go, oh, this is pretty good. This is very powerful machines, but of course the price is like almost $1,000. And then he go, yeah, that's powerful enough. But the problem is, see the grips, okay? It's like cone. Now, grips, like the cone shape, is easier when you do shading, okay? Now, when you do lining, bigger grips is more stabilized. Now, if you're a beginner, will be, oh, crazy. Bigger is easier for lining? Yes, some tattoo artists like the grips look like a Coca-Cola can. Wow, this is more stabilized when you do lining. Now talk about a little bit Cheyenne and Bishop. Okay, now both is very good brand. Okay, more expensive. Cheyenne is made from Germany. Okay, this is again like almost the last day we sit down. Okay, have some tea. We're drinking some tea, and then hey, and then we talk about like this, and that. When you do like big pieces, okay, what they suggest me to do, especially the whole back, okay, they will say Bishop 5.0. Now, the difference between Cheyenne and Bishop, very good machines. The power, how about talk about power? Bishop, the motorized, is most powerful. Doesn't mean Cheyenne is no good, okay? Cheyenne is a little bit less powerful than Bishop. Now, from whatever they say, I don't have these two machines. I cannot tell you, hey, this and that, because if you want me to buy all those, it's a lot of money. Yes. Mass is weaker than Cheyenne because they try it. Cheyenne is very good for what clientele? Asian or some black people. Okay, now black, some people like very tough, very strong, but when you have some friends, black friends, you try to, okay, if they allow you, okay, have a chance to feel their skin is a little bit thinner. Now, Bishop is from US, especially you working on some white folks, especially you work on their back. Okay, you need more powerful machines because their skin is thicker. Okay, I don't know, because like the way they work out or the skin type or the food they eat. Yes, Bishop. Okay, is that help? Because like Black Friday is coming, so those machines might have a discount. Now, I love Mass 4 Pro. Now, if you want to buy the Mass 4 Pro, I always say you need to buy 2 battery. Okay, they have a special edition. I just checked on Amazon. The prices so far is $239. The special edition come with 2 battery. Of course, you can connect it with RCA as well. And also, they come with 2 grips. Okay, so they come with 1 bigger grip. So for lining is better, and then the smaller one is very good for shading. Now in the beginning, if you're working on the bolt line, let's say big pieces in the back, you want one shot and then very solid and very saturated. Now, as long as you can control, because a Bishop or Cheyenne 5.0, a lot of people say the same thing. It's very powerful, okay? If you cannot control, I recommend you don't do it. You can start with something small pieces first. Tattoo, mini tattoo is a tattoo, right? Big pieces is a tattoo as well. Start with very small. Mass 4 Pro is very good for beginner, and then for a smaller pieces. They have 6 adjustable stroke. You can understand, okay, what is the difference of the stroke length. Now this chapter, I'm not trying to bring too far away. Take a look at the Bishop website, okay? They explain very clear, 5.0, 4.0, 3.5, okay? When and why you need to using different stroke length. I read it, yes, they say correctly. Now one audience Hey, can I using Bishop? They say lining. Okay, can I do it for nano machine hair stroke or outlining? No, no, it's too powerful. Now, open mind, sometimes you need to think a little bit opposite. Like PMU sometimes is more opposite. Now I will make another video. So many people ask me same question. Okay, which machine is the best for nano machine hair stroke? Okay, because so many questions, so many audience ask me the same question, I need to make a video. Even those I will not include. In my class, I don't teach nano machine, and then I will tell you why. Okay, I don't want to go too far away. If the next machine I will buy Bishop 5.0. Okay, if you want to cut a little bit corner, now this is one thing I really like Bishop. You take a look at their slogan, whatever. They say, buy it and buy the battery later. Okay, $7.99. Now 5.0 $7.99, 4.2 $7.99, 3.5 $7.99. Hopefully on Black Friday you can get some deal. Now you can buy battery later. Okay. For me, I like to use with the battery. Wireless is easier instead of the wiring go around your head and this and that. And then the cable, the wire cable always broke. So you always lose connection, always like 1 or 2 months, something like that, while you lose connection. So always you need a backup. But I asked the same question to my, I can say it's my teacher or my mentor. Okay, whoa. Which one you like? Well, of course you go wireless, but the RCA can give you like non-stop power supply. Once the battery like going down, like in the middle or very low, the power might not be 100%. You get what I'm saying? So always have 2 battery, always. Of course, mask, they come with a adapter. You can either change it to RCA or using the battery. Again, the special edition, they come with 2 batteries, so we're solving the problem. They might hear what I say or someone else say, okay, this, I like it. At least, you're taking care of us, okay? One more secret, okay, they go Bishop for old school traditional. Okay, old school traditional is they looking for some very thick, very bold line. They're using at least a 9 L and up. Okay, especially in the back, they go Bishop 5.0 is still not enough. You need to using the traditional wire machine, coil machines. Okay, you take a look at a lot of advanced artists, what machines they're using. Why they still using the old machines? Everything have a reason. Everything have a reason. But in the beginning, mass focal, okay, you have a deep pocket, you want to boom, jump into Bishop is fine, but as long as you can control. In the beginning, again, like fade out better than blow out. So easy. When you go a little bit too deep, because it's so powerful, will be boom, spread. Okay? He give me a hint. In the beginning, you don't need to worry about like if the line is not saturated enough, you can run one more time. Is it help? Is it help? But pain level now, a little bit too far already. Pain level, if you have experience, okay? Same area, if you go over within a short time, I would say within 15 minutes, the pain level is so low. Let's say, for example, you go over this area and then you work on somewhere else, and then boom, go back to the same area, the pain level will be like jump to sky high. Try it. I don't want you to try it, but to a point, you need to try it into your skin. It's not that bad, like it's not that painful. I have another video like showing you how I tested on my skin. Now the next step I might plan to do, okay, on my feet, because I can stretch the skin, stretch as tight as possible when you do tattooing. Now it's different when you do lips, eyeliner and brow. You don't stretch that much. Okay, especially lips. When you do like lips brushing, don't stress too much, otherwise it will be swollen. Black Friday, I'm thinking, okay, everyone, Black Friday have a sales. My class will have a sales. I don't want to say how much right now, but hey, when you log in, you will see a Black Friday sale. Everyone happy, right? So I'm a small studio, I'm a small channel. I need you to support, have different level. In the public YouTube, okay, I try to answer to a limit. Or I make a video, if your topic, okay, I want to share with anyone, okay, I will record a video, put on the public. Okay, but some question I cannot disclose on the internet. I will ask you, at least you sign up my class, the free session. I will talk a little bit more for very, very deep secret. Sorry, is only in my class. In my class, when you ask me question, I will answer you.